Have you wondered how do you effectively mark assignments on Google Classroom without missing a step? Well, let me walk you through it today. If you've been following my series on how to create assignments in Google Classroom, this is the perfect follow-up. Your students have submitted their work, and now it's time to mark it. I'll show you step by step how to find the assignment, review and comment on their work, and use the comment bank for efficiency, assign grades, and even return the marked assignment with a private message. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Google Classroom and go to the class where the assignment was set. So it was an advanced skincare one. Then you want to click on the classwork tab. So this takes you to your graded course that we completed in one of our series. And then you want to scroll down to where you had set the assignment. So it was within our understanding skin types, and it was assignment 1, anatomy of the face. So you're going to click that to view the assignment. And what this will do, it will show you the number of assigned or turned in assignments. So we've got one student that submitted and turned in their work. So I'm going to click on review work. You'll now see the uploaded work on the right. So take your time to review this carefully. You should have a marking criteria so you know what you're marking against. To add comments, all you need to do is highlight a section of the assignment. So let's say I want to provide feedback on question 1. All I'm going to do is highlight question 1. You can highlight any area that you want, and then to see where this kind of like a comment box is with a plus. And then it opens up just beside, as you can see, the comment section on the right hand side. And then this is where you can type in your feedback. And once you're happy with that, you click comment. And now you can see that the comment is left and it sits on the right hand side. And then when you just click out of that, you can see also that it's highlighted in the color. So when your students receive the feedback, they will see highlighted areas and they'll know that's where a comment can be found. So all you're now going to do is just go through the rest of the assignment and leave further comment. If you plan to use any feedback that you provided on a frequent basis, you can save it to your comment bank. So all you need to do is go towards your right hand side. Can you see just here? I'm actually just going to open up this side panel so I can see it more. And you can add comments. So this is where you can save those frequently used comments to the comment bank and edit it. So you're not always going to copy and paste the same comment. So all we're going to do to do that, we're going to click add. Let's just say this might be one that we might use, and obviously we'll update, and we can add that to our comment bank. And then all you then need to do, if you want to add another one, then I'll add that to our comment bank. So if you ever want to use any of these comments in the future, all you're going to do, so let's say I wanted to use it for question 4, we can go to our comment bank and we can then click to copy to clipboard, go to our add comment and paste it in. So that's how you can mark assignments in Google Classroom, save it to your comment bank, and also use your comment bank for any other areas that you feel it's going to be repetitive. Another quick one I wanted to show you. So let's just close this pane. So let's say you marked a section and you realize you've given the wrong feedback in the wrong section. All you need to do is go to the section that you want to edit. You click, you see just beside where the comment will appear. You click the 3 dots and then you just edit it. And that's it. So let's say, for example, we forgot to customize the one that we used from the comment bank. Then we can update it. So once you've left comments, you can move to the right hand side of the screen where the grading box is located. So we're going to open the panel again. We're going to click above here because we were in the comment bank for there. And now you can see where the grading is. So the grading is out of 20 because this is what we set in the assignment. So let's just say this student has achieved a 17. but I also want to leave a private comment. So in order to leave a private comment, just below the grade, I'm going to click private comment. So I'm obviously writing to myself. And again, double check it before it's sent off. And then you click post. And now I'm going to return the work. Just a heads up, once you send the actual private comment to the student, they automatically receive it even if you haven't returned their assignment. So just an important note. So now that I've graded the assignment, I'm going to click return, and then there's a double check. Are you happy? And I know it's going to be 17 out of 20. Click return. Now let's quickly switch to what the student sees on their end when they log in, because they will receive a notification that their assignment has been returned. So this is the student's viewpoint of their Google Classroom. So there's a few ways that they'll receive notification that their assignment has been marked: by email. If they have kept the notification on, they will receive an email, or via the Google app if they've got the Google app on their phone. But if they switch both of those off, all they need to do is go into their classwork tab, go to the section where they've submitted their assignment. So it was this one, and it says graded. They can view the instructions, and now they can see their feedback. On the left hand side is the private message that they received from the lecturer. They can click their assignment. This opens up their marked assignment, and straight away they can see highlighted areas in their assignment, and then towards the right hand side they can see the comments for their assignment. So that's how they can check the feedback on the assignments. And also you can see just towards the top it shows a notification of 3 comments. So if they click here, it's another way for them to view all the comments for this particular assignment. How great is that? And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've marked and returned an assignment whilst providing meaningful feedback to your students. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out the rest of our series on maximizing Google Classroom for educators, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.